This is what I wake up to every single morning. And of course, it varies between how long I've cracked my neck for. Let's see if I can squeeze in a few more, maybe. Yep, there you go. And that's what my neck sounds like every single morning. Oh, I wake up, I go, oh my god, it's another day. Oh my god, it's another day, I hate my life. Crack my neck, and you can really hear it some days. Hold on. No, that don't work. Well, this one. No. Sometimes my spine does crack as well. So, well, there you go. No, that don't work. Last but not least, you got your spine. No, it don't work. What the hell? But anyway, stay in tune for the next video that is coming, which is literally today. So, actually 2 videos, so stay in tune for both of those. Oh my god. Oh well. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys in a little bit.